Model, 2018 Mitsubishi L200 Navara Warrior Die DU06 needs easy turbo repair, one owner, Vat Inclusive. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 137405. MOT, the 24th of April 2026. Engine, 2442 cc 4N15178 Euro 6. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine, gearbox and four-wheel drive system works perfectly. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job, absolute bargaining for somebody. Vat is including the final price, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van.